Hayaan nyo kaming dalhin kayo sa aming day trip to the one of the most magical and unbelievably clear waters in New Zealand. Ito ang Blue Springs sa Putaruru. If you are visiting New Zealand or exploring the North Island, this spot should definitely be on your must-visit list. Unahin natin ang Whites Road. Ito yung longer walking track around 1.5 to 2 hours na return. Scenic siya, may forest areas, open fields, at ilang spots kung saan makikita mo na agad yung clear water. Ideal ito kung gusto mo ng nature walk or medyo adventure vibes. Pero dahil mahaba at may uneven parts, hindi ito recommended for toddlers, strollers, or anyone na gusto lang ng light walk. Nasubukan namin yan noong 2023 nung sinarado nila ang Leslie Road, which is yung shorter na daanan. Kaya wala kaming option kundi dumaan dito sa Whites Road. Pinasyal kasi namin yung parents namin dito nung nagpunta sila at kasama namin si baby noon. Nagdala kami ng stroller at kasama si baby kaya matagal kaming natapos. Anyway, yung Leslie Road, ito yung pinaka-easy access at the best choice for families with kids. From the car park, very short and gentle walk lang papunta sa main viewing area. Walang steep climbs, walang mahahabang trail, diretso agad sa highlight ng Blue Spring. Kaya kung gusto mo ng mabilis pero solid na experience, Leslie Road is the way to go. Pagbaba mo pa lang ng sasakyan, mapifeel mo na talaga ang presko ng hangin, malamig, malinis, at parang instantly relaxing. And as you walk towards the viewing area, maririnig mo yung gentle sound ng flowing water. Then out of nowhere, biglang lilitaw yung sobrang linaw at sobrang blue na tubig, as in turquoise at emerald na parang glowing. Kita mo yung underwater plants slowly swaying with the current. Parang may sariling dance. At dito mo masasabi kung bakit ang Blue Spring ang source ng 70% ng bottled water sa New Zealand. Ganito siya ka-pure at ka-crystal clear. Nagstay kami doon ng medyo matagal kasi ang hirap umalis sa sobrang ganda ng paligid. Nakaka-amaze ang ganda ng tubig. Yun bang parang iniinganyo kang mag-swimming? Pero reminder lang sa mga traveler dito sa Blue Spring, no swimming allowed dahil protected po ang area na ito. Pero kahit bawal lumangoy, sulit pa rin naman. You can walk around, take photos, record videos, or just sit and appreciate the calmness of the place. Kung may pagkain kayong dala, perfect din siya for picnic style. At kung mahilig kang gumawa ng mga reels or travel videos, Blue Spring is unreal. Every angle kasi looks like a postcard. Walang filter, walang edit, nature lang yung magwo-work. Nagbaon nga kami ng mga snacks at in-enjoy namin ang simple, quiet picnic. It's peaceful, refreshing, at parang naging slow-mo ang oras. It's the kind of place that resets your mind and gives you that needed break from city life. And take note mga langga, libre lang to. Yes, walang bayad. Anyway, para klaro kung paano nyo pipiliin ang entry ninyo papunta dito sa Blue Springs, dalawa lang yung options ninyo. Una ang Whites Road. Ito yung para sa mga tao na mahihilig ng long at scenic nature walk. Ito namang dinaanan namin ay ang Leslie Road. Piliin nyo to if you are with kids and you want an easy access or limited lang ang time nyo. It will only take you about 10 minutes from the car park to the Blue Springs. At after namin sa Blue Spring, dumaan kami sa May Tirao. This is after Putaruru and just before Cambridge and Hamilton. Meron kasi ditong sikat na top-rated sa TripAdvisor na ice cream shop na tinatawag na One Road Ice Cream Shop. And I'm telling you mga langga, napakasarap ng ice cream nila dito. Nasa top 5 ito sa mga paborito naming ice cream shop sa buong New Zealand. So if you're planning a trip around New Zealand, make sure to include Blue Springs in Putaruru. It's truly magical, it's peaceful, and it's one of those places na you'll never forget.